Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Subject Code OEC 754, Unit 1, PCG. Objective to understand the concepts of PCG and its recording unit. It is an instrument used for recording the sounds connected with the pumping action of the heart. That means the heart sounds are generated by the beating heart and the resultant blood flow through it. Stethoscope is a simple device that carries sound energy from the chest of the patient to the ear of physician. Heart sounds. Heart sounds are generated by the beating heart and the resultant blood flow through it. Based on this, heart sound are classified into 4 categories. Valve closure sounds. That means it is the beginning of systole and the beginning of diastole. It is due to closure of mitral and tricuspid valves. That means it is an artery-ventricular valves. The next one is ventricular filling sounds. It is sometimes heard especially in young adults. Using this, it can able to occur either at the period of rapid filling of the ventricle also. The next one is valve opening sounds. It occurs at the time of opening of the atrioventricular valves and the semilunar valves. The last one is extracardiac sounds. It is a earlier diastole that are caused by thickened pericardium which limits ventricular distensibility. Different heart sounds and its characteristics. 4 heart sounds that occur during the sequence of one complete cardiac cycle. Physical characteristics of sound. It is usually characterized by 3 physical characteristics: frequency, amplitude and quality. First one is frequency. The frequency range of 10 to 1000 Hz. It also contains the low range 10 to 60 Hz for third and fourth heart sounds, and the next one is medium range is 60 to 150 Hz for first and second heart sounds. The next one is amplitude. It also differs by various factors. That means low frequency depends on heart sounds have highest amplitudes, and the next one is high frequency contains heart sounds have lowest amplitude. Quality. It depends upon the overtones of quality varied. Block diagram of phonocardiograph. The block diagram of a phonocardiograph for recording of heart sound is shown below. That means it is separated by 3 categories. That is sensing unit, sensing interfacing unit, sensing monitoring and analyzing unit. In this, the sensing unit, it consists of the carbon microphone. That means it supports the circulatory converts the heart sounds into proportional electrical signals. And the next one is signal processing unit. It comprises an amplification and filtering circuit. It also used for a phonocardiograph have wide bandwidth with a frequency range of about 20 to 2000 Hz. In this, the high frequency components of cardiovascular sound have a much smaller intensity than the low frequency components. It also usually have gain compensation circuits to increase the amplification of high frequency signals which are usually of low intensity. And then next one is signal interfacing unit and signal monitoring and analyzing unit. In this unit, it is used to the digital interface unit. That means it converts the analog signal into the proportional digital signal. Then the digital signal is connected to PC for display on the PC monitor in real time. Then only the signal is analyzed in time and frequency domain with the help of software algorithms. The next one is PCG waveforms. In this PCG waveforms, you have first heart sound, second heart sound, third heart sound, aortic stenosis. First, we are going to see the first heart sound. It is due to closure of mitral and tricuspid valves. That means it permits the flow of blood from artery into the ventricles. That means it occurs approximately 0.05 second after the onset of QRS complex and just before ventricular systole. It also had loud deep pitch and is booming in character. It is longer in duration, lower in frequency. That means 30 to 45 Hz and also greater in intensity than the second sound. Next, we are going to see the second heart sound. It is occurs at the end of ventricular systole due to closure of semilunar valves. Here also it occurs the range 0.03 0.05 second after the end of T wave. It also have higher pitch than the first sound because it's a snapping in character. It also have the frequency 50 to 70 Hz. Here the duration is 25 to 30 second. Then the next one is third heart sound. It is due to the cessation of ventricular filling. That means it is heard in children and patients with left ventricular failure due to rapid inflow of blood from the artery into the verticals. Here also the frequency is below 30 Hz. The duration is 0.1 to 0.0 seconds. It also starts 0.12 to 0.18 second after the onset of second heart sound. The oscillatory area, that means it is the best heard at the apex and the left lateral position after lifting the legs. In this topic, you will get the following questions. What is PCG? State the importance of PCG signals. Explain about phonocardiograph. Thank you.